Food that repair nerve damage. What is nerve damage? Neuropathy or nerve damage is when the nerve in the body become injured or dysfunctional. Nerve transport message between various regions of the body and the brain. They allow us to sense, move muscles and control physical activities. When these nerves are injured, they can cause a variety of symptoms and health problems. Common symptoms of nerve damage included numbness and tingling, stabbing, burning or itching, pain, weakness, overly sensitive to touch or temperature change, loss of coordination. The good news is that there are some of the best food for nerve repair that may help our bodies be strong than ever. Nourishing your nervous system with a diet rich of nerve repair food can keep your body in the best shape. The best food that heal nerve damage along with nerve food health benefits. Food rich in vitamin B. Nerve damage treatment vitamin included B6, B12 and some B complex vitamins. These vitamins heal injured nerve and enhance sensory perception. Vitamins such as these can help boost your metabolism as well. The best source of vitamin B12 are sardines, salmon, tuna, mackerel, cod. Vitamin B1, green peas, black beans, lentils. Vitamin B6, tuna, salmon. Vitamin B2, soybean, almond. The deficiency of vitamin B complex is relatively common. Before consuming any of the above give supplement, it is the best to consult with an expert. Ginger. Ginger is a common food found in almost every household. It's anti-inflammatory factor which reduces the pain of the nerves and has a healing ability because of the presence of gingerol in order to reduce the pain, discomfort of cramp or neuropathy irritation. Ginger oil is used. Adding a bit of ginger to your diet can also help in remarkable ways. Fruits. Fruits are rich source of nutrients that aid in healing neuropathic pain. Fruit must be included in your diet. They contain a lot of antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Depending upon the fruit you select, they can give you ample nourishment and improve recovery of damaged nerve. Some of the nerve best food like fruits that heal cure damage are apple, berries, orange and grapes. Flavonoid in fruits such as quercetin can help soothe neuropathic pain by causing anti-inflammatory element. Green leafy vegetable. Green vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals. It is not only rich in vitamin A but also vitamin B and other micronutrients which is help alpha-linoleic acid. These nutrients are important for better functioning and help relieve neuropathic pain. It's improve the regeneration of nerve. Some excellent source of green leafy vegetable are broccoli, asparagus, spinach, kale. Consuming it daily will aid in curing neuropathic pain.